Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get domain on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Getting a domain through Squarespace is a straightforward process that is beneficial, especially if you are using their platform to build your website. Once you are logged into your account, just hover to the Buy a Domain section on Squarespace. And from here, all you have to do is click on the name that you wanted. For example, in my case, I'm going to be typing in Deep Labs because that represents our brand and identity. And click on the forward button here. Now, after clicking that, what will happen is Squarespace will give you some decent options for you to choose from. For example, in my case, I have this like deep-labs.com. And you would notice that different domains has different prices. So I leave that to you depending on your goal, budget, and needs. For example, I'm going to be choosing deep-labs.com, the first choice, which is going to be $14. Click on the cart here, so it's going to be added to cart. Protect your brand from competing domain buyers from claiming popular domain for your site. All you have to do is click on checkout. What will happen is you would be forwarded in this section. Just wait for it while Squarespace is setting things up for you. Now, as you can see, you can ensure domain ownership and lock in the current price for the number of years selected by choosing a multi-year term. You can choose 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, until 10 years. That means whatever you purchase here, for example, that's going to be $14, it's not going to change price for the duration of the term. If you choose 5 years, that's going to be $14 for the rest of 5 years. All right, so you don't have to worry for that. Now, if you're happy with it, all I have to do is click on Save and Continue, and you would be forwarded to another page, wherein you would be forwarded to the checkout page. All you have to do is provide your information such as your last name, all of these numbers, and then click Save and Continue. And after purchasing the domain from Squarespace, you can connect it to the site that you're using. All right. And of course, you keep everything from domain, hosting, the site in one platform. Now, this simplifies management because you won't need to configure separate settings for managing multiple accounts. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.